Good morning, grade 2 class. Welcome to another recorded video lesson for our math subject. Okay, so yesterday we had a discussion about the place value of the numbers. Okay, do you still remember that? And for your level, we have four place values. Okay, so our place values includes, starting from the right, ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, so remember that. And here, we learned to count the number of objects in each place value. For example, in the place value ones, rather thousand, we have two, so that becomes 2,000. For the hundreds place, we have 100, only one for 100. Then for tens, we have three. That's why it became 30. Then four for the ones place. Okay. Now, so in writing the place value, so here's our example a while ago. Okay. You need to get the first number in each place, in each number. So for 1,000, we have 2. Okay, since it is 2,000. For hundreds, 1. For tens, 3. Then for ones, 4. Okay, so remember that. So again, our four place values, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay. Uh, to make counting easier, we group the sets, our examples, by ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, starting from the right. Okay, and we had an activity yesterday where you counted ones, tens, hundreds, and thousand. Okay. So for today, we will continue with our activity on page 17B. Okay, for this activity, here's what you are going to do. So listen carefully. This one is an example, okay? So it says here 5,000s, 800s, 2 10s, and 6 1s. Now, how will you write that as a number? So we have 5,000s, you write 5, 800s, 2 10s, and 6 1s. Okay, so you will write your answer on the line. Okay, so you do the rest of the number from 1 to 10. Okay, then submit it to me via Google Classroom. Is that clear? So you have 10 numbers there. After this activity, you go to page 17C. Okay, so here what you're going to do, for example, we have 7,258 means what number is in the thousand, what number is in the hundred, what number is in tens, and what number is in the ones place. So for the thousand, we have 7. For the hundreds, we have 2. For tens, we have 5. And for ones, we have 8. Okay? So you do the same to number 6, up to number 6. Okay? Then for your last activity for this day, activity 2 on page 18, letter A. Clear? So here, there is a number that is encircled. Now, what you have to do is to write the correct place value. If the circled number is ones, in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, or thousands place. For this example, the number that is circled is number 3. So it is placed in the hundreds. So on the line, you will write hundreds. Okay? Another one. The circled number is in what place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So you will write thousands. And for the third example, the circled number is 9, which is in the tens place. So you write tens. And the last example is 6 in the ones place. So you do that from 1 up to number 10. Then after doing this, submit to me your work via Google Classroom separately, okay? So goodbye grade 2. See you tomorrow.